Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets and home appliances. Today, we're diving into the Rabbit Air A3 Air Purifier, a stylish and smart solution for cleaner air in your home. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about design. The Rabbit Air A3 is not only functional but also a piece of art that you'd proudly display in your home. With its customizable front panel featuring iconic artworks like Vincent van Gogh's The Starry Night or Katsushika Hokusai's The Great Wave, you can match it to your interior decor seamlessly. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty, the features. The Rabbit Air A3 boasts a 6-stage filtration system, ensuring that even the tiniest of pollutants are captured and eliminated from your indoor air. From pet dander to odors and airborne viruses, this purifier has got you covered. One of my favorite things about this purifier is its companion app. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can control the purifier from anywhere in your home. Plus, it even works with Alexa, so you can use voice commands to adjust settings without lifting a finger. But does it really work? Absolutely. In my tests, the Rabbit Air A3 proved to be efficient and effective. It cleared the air in my office in just 16 minutes, leaving it feeling fresh and clean. And with its quiet operation, you won't even notice it's there. So, what's the verdict? Well, if you're looking for a top-of-the-line air purifier that not only works great but also looks great, then the Rabbit Air A3 is definitely worth considering. With its customizable design, smart features, and excellent performance, it's a solid investment for your home. That's all for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest and unbiased reviews. Until next time, happy purifying.